Hey guys, Kevin Nelson here. I want to show you really quick how you can create new media for your WordPress websites or really any site at all. Create advertisements, banner ads, headers, blog titles, all that kind of stuff. So I'm on a site right here. It's called pixabay.com, and this is a free site that you can go to. And so I'm going to show you how to create a blog title here first. So I could just search for whatever I wanted to search for. In this case, I'm going to search for blogging. And you see I get all kinds of different images here. And I've actually already picked one out that I wanted. And I think I searched blogging images and it found it. You know, you can just use whatever you want, but I decided I wanted this one because this particular post is talking about media. So you can just click on whichever one you want and click download. Now I did already download it, so you can see I downloaded it here, and you just save it to your computer. Okay, so now the other site that's a free site you want to look at is called canva.com. This is also a free site, and as you can see, I've created a lot of other images using this site. You know, some really cool stuff. You can see I have some banners, other blog titles that I have. You know, lots of different things. Basically, your imagination can determine what you want to create here. But okay, so we're going to create. I just clicked on the More tab there, and we're going to create a blog title. And I like these to be relatively all the same size, so every time I make a blog title I use that particular layout. And so go to uploads, and I'm going to upload my own. Grab the one that I just made, pop it in here, and let's go ahead and size it out to the size that we want, and we'll just kind of sure that looks fine. Now I'm creating a blog post over here, and I think it's going to be something like this. I'm creating a blog post in my Kalatu blog, which is WordPress powered, but it's a custom Kalatu blog. And I'm actually using our plugin that's called the 21-day blogging challenge plugin. But anyway, let's go back over here to Canva, and so now I can just include some text and paste that text in that I just grabbed. And let's see, let's change the color, see what we get. I don't know if white's exactly the color, but so we'll just play with it here for just a second. I could do this. I don't really like it though. It's a little bit. Okay, so another thing you can do, I can turn on this filter here, and this has all kinds of different settings, so really you can just play with this as much as you want. But I'd like to blur that just a little bit because I want it to be more in the back. And you know, if you end up deciding that what you have is not an ideal image to be using, then of course you can change that. But let's just keep playing with it here just for a second. It's not too bad. Still not digging it though. Okay, so I have an idea that so let's grab not from the layouts, but see now this is under layouts, and we can get grids and frames, different shapes. So I'm kind of let's see what kind of shapes. What I'm thinking is put something behind that. Let's see. I feel like Bob Ross. It's going to be a happy little banner. A happy little blog title. Also, what I've been thinking is I wanted to is perhaps do this, do some kind of shape on all of my blog titles, because it looks really nice for them to be symmetrical. You know, when you're looking at your blog and everything, all the blog titles down the side of the page, you know, where it shows your recent posts, where they look really good that way. Well, I'm not getting what I want here. So you can also search for things that you want. So let me just type in rectangle and let's see what we get. Ah, well, it does just give me a basic rectangle, doesn't it? Okay. Maybe something like, whoa. Maybe something like one of these. Yeah. So maybe if we do something like these, and you can actually send this backwards. And there we go. Let's make sure my picture Okay. Kind of thinking that my color I want on this, I would rather have across my entire blog maybe is a blue. Yeah, see, that pops a whole lot more. Of course, that'll show up really nicely on the website. Let's see if I can get, there we go. Okay, so I think that'll be a good image, and then we just click download right here. Okay, save it to your computer. Alright, now we're going to go back over here, and since I'm in the 21-day blogging challenge, what I'll be doing here is just a little different than what you may be used to seeing, but I'm setting it as the featured image. It's allowing me to do that here, you see. Okay. Alright. I'm not going to show you the rest of the post. I'll show you that later. You can read it on the blog post itself. But so we use Pixabay, and you can grab any image you want. And then Canva.com is the site that we use to create the different images. And so you can see we've got a beautiful blog post title image there, and they have all kinds of other cool stuff, you know, for your posts, for social media, Pinterest, Instagram. You can see here Tumblr graphics, different documents that you can create, you know, blogging and ebooks, marketing materials. You know, look at the marketing materials. You can create all kinds of different banners and social media and email headers. YouTube channel art. Now there's a good one. It's kind of crazy to try to create YouTube channel art sometimes, and Google Plus photos. Facebook covers, really cool, where you can make Facebook covers and see everything's already sized like you would need it, so you don't have to worry about the sizing. In the event that you want to create something custom, you just use custom dimensions right here and then type in the exact dimensions that you want, and it will set you up for that. So awesome. Hope this helps out. My name's Kevin Nelson, and I look forward to connecting with you, and you can read this blog post and let me know your thoughts and any suggestions that you may have as well. Alright, have an awesome day. Bye-bye.